AI will pretty much touch everything we do. It's more likely to be correct and grounded in reality. Talk to the AI about how to do better.
Why is AI the talk of the town and making waves across industries? Well, AI is transforming the way we live and work, and its potential seems limitless. From chatty digital assistants to smart manufacturing lines, AI is revolutionising businesses of all sizes. But what exactly is AI, and why is it taking off so quickly? In a 2023 survey by IBM, it found that 42% of large businesses have integrated AI into their operations, and 40% are thinking about using AI. Additionally, 38% of organisations have started using generative AI in their workflows. Also, 42% are considering it. With changes happening so quickly, it's important to understand what these shifts in AI could mean for different industries and societies. AI has come a long way since 1951. Back then, Christopher Starshey wrote the first successful AI computer program. It played a full game of checkers on the Ferranti Mark I computer at the University of Manchester. With the help of machine learning and deep learning, IBM's Deep Blue beat chess grandmaster Garry Kasparov in 1997, and IBM Watson won Jeopardy in 2011. Since then, generative AI has led the latest advancements. OpenAI released its first GPT models in 2018, leading to the development of GPT-4 and ChatGPT. These AI tools can now create relevant text, audio, images, and more in response to queries. AI is also being used to sequence RNA for vaccinations and model human speech. These technologies rely on machine learning models and algorithms, focusing more on perception, reasoning, and generalization. It was mentioned by Mike Mendelson, a learning experience designer for NVIDIA, that if developers understand what AI can do, more often this approach is taken rather than having a specific problem to solve from the start. Business automation has naturally led to fears over job losses. Many employees think that almost 1/3 of their tasks could be done by AI. Although AI has made progress in the workplace, it affects different industries and jobs unevenly. For example, manual jobs like secretaries are at risk of being automated, but the need for jobs like machine learning specialists and information security analysts has increased. Workers in more skilled or creative jobs are more likely to have their work enhanced by AI rather than replaced. AI will push employees and companies to learn new tools and skills, whether it takes over some tasks or requires learning new tools. Business automation has naturally led to fears over job losses. Many employees think that almost 1/3 of their tasks could be done by AI. Although AI has made progress in the workplace, it affects different industries and jobs unevenly. For example, manual jobs like secretaries are at risk of being automated, but the needs for jobs like machine learning specialists and information security analysts have increased. Companies need a lot of data to train models that power generative AI tools, and this has raised concerns. The FTC is investigating if OpenAI has harmed consumers by collecting personal data and possibly violating European data protection laws. In response, the Biden-Harris administration created an AI Bill of Rights, which highlights data privacy as a key principle. Although this bill doesn't have much legal power, it shows a growing effort to prioritise data privacy and urge AI companies to be more transparent and careful when dealing with data. Ethical issues related to generative AI have put more pressure on the US government to take a stronger stance. The Biden-Harris administration has taken a moderate approach with its latest executive order. It provides rough guidelines on data privacy, civil liberties, responsible AI, and other aspects. However, the government might move towards stricter regulations if political climate changes. On a larger scale, AI is set to have a big impact on sustainability, climate change, and environmental issues. Some people see AI as a way to make supply chains more efficient, perform predictive maintenance, and reduce carbon emissions. However, AI could also be seen as a major contributor to climate change. The energy and resources needed to create and maintain AI models could increase carbon emissions by up to 80%, hurting sustainability efforts in tech. Even if AI is used for climate-friendly technology, the costs of building and training models could leave us in a worse environmental situation than before. One of the main reasons AI is growing so fast is due to advancements in technology. We've seen huge improvements in computer processing power and data storage in recent years, allowing us to build more advanced AI algorithms. This trend will continue, leading to even more powerful AI systems in the future. Another reason for AI's rapid growth is that businesses are starting to see its benefits. Many studies have shown that companies using AI tend to be more successful than those that don't. This success isn't just for commercial businesses. Research shows that everyone benefits from AI, from individual users getting smarter services to businesses gaining better insights into their customers' behaviour. So why is artificial intelligence growing so quickly? It comes down to advancements in technology and the opportunities they create. The excitement around AI and benefits it offers are driving its rapid development and adoption. But AI is improving customer service by providing data-driven tools that offer valuable insights for both customers and providers. AI tools in customer service include chatbots and virtual assistants. AI is set to greatly impact the transportation industry. Self-driving cars and AI travel planners are examples of how AI will change how we travel. While autonomous vehicles aren't perfect yet, they are expected to eventually transport us from one place to another. Big data is critical for AI because it allows us to train the AI with large amounts of information. This helps AI learn from experience and handle complex situations. Cloud computing is also important because it lets us store data online, making it accessible anywhere. The future of AI looks very promising. We're still figuring out the best ways to use this technology, but the potential benefits are enormous. With more accurate predictions, better business processes, and smarter robots, the future of AI is bright. The rapid growth of artificial intelligence today is due to several factors. These include improvements in machine learning algorithms, more access to bigger data, better computational power, and increased investments and research in AI technologies. Better computational power, thanks to specialized hardware like GPUs and TPUs, has allowed for the training of larger and more complex neural networks. This process in deep learning has sped up the AI research and development. Increased investments from both public and private sectors, along with extensive research from universities and businesses, have fueled the rapid growth of artificial intelligence. This funding and collaboration are driven innovation, developing new technologies and expanding AI's use in different industries. From healthcare and finance to transportation and entertainment, AI is transforming how businesses run and how people live, work and interact with technology, which is speeding up its growth. Although AI is reshaping many industries for the better, it still has some issues that need attention. One concern is job losses. Between 2023 and 2028, 44% of workers' skills will be disrupted. Not everyone will be affected equally. Women are more likely than men to encounter AI in their jobs, because there is a larger gap in AI skills between men and women. Women might face a higher risk of losing their jobs. If companies don't provide training to help their workers learn new skills, the rise of AI could lead to higher unemployment and fewer opportunities for marginalized groups to enter the tech field. AI often reflects the bias of the people who create and train it. For example, facial recognition technology has been known to favor lighter-skinned individuals and discriminate against people with darker skin. If researchers do not address these biases early, AI could reinforce these biases and continue to create social inequalities. Deepfakes are another concern. They can make it hard to tell what's real and what's fake, leading to confusion and disruption. AI in automated weapons is a serious concern. These weapons can be deadly and might not distinguish between soldiers and civilians. Do you think AI is a bane or boon? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and also don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Until next time, see you all.